For a number of decades, global warmists have been making predictions about how much the world should warm up, unless their agenda of energy restrictions is enacted. The Hansen video shows how James Hansen's 1988 predictions simply have not come true. But the warmists will say, 21 years is not enough to get a real handle on climate trends. Okay then, how about over 30 years? Because in 1976, Stephen Schneider, in the Genesis strategy, said an increase in CO2 to 400 parts per million would bring about a temperature increase on the order of 1 degree Celsius. So, since the mid-70s, we've had an increase from about 330 parts per million to about 385 parts per million now. That's about 80% of the way to 400 parts per million. So you would expect that we would have had about 80% of that 1% increase, or about 0.8 degrees Celsius. So here's the temperature record since the late 70s, and here's Schneider's prediction. And as we can see, that the small rise that we have seen is only a fraction of what Schneider predicted. So, in summary, over the last 30 plus years, numerous global warming predictions have been made. Although there has been a slight warming, it has undershot anything but the moderate and mainly beneficial warming trends that have been predicted. So why should we continue to believe and continue to inflict economic harm on ourselves in response to similar catastrophic predictions today?